Hi everyone, and welcome to Summer Scares 2021. I'm Konrad Stump with the Springfield-Greene County Library in beautiful Springfield, Missouri, and your official Summer Scares programming coordinator. Summer Scares is a national reading initiative through the Horror Writers Association in partnership with Book Riot, Booklist, and United for Libraries that provides an annual list of recommended titles for adult, young adult, and middle grade readers to start conversations between librarians and their patrons about the horror genre and promote reading for years to come. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the 2021 Summer Scares Programming Guide, created by the Springfield-Greene County Library District. And with a big thank you to our amazing art director, Danny Dye. This is a 100% free resource, so see below for a link to this full-color printable PDF. Inside, you'll find an introduction to the Summer Scares Reading Initiative, meet the talented and knowledgeable library workers on our selection committee, and you'll hear from this year's Summer Scares spokesperson, best-selling author Sylvia Moreno-Garcia. Now, one of the easiest ways library workers can participate in Summer Scares is through book displays. So on page 3, you will find a flyer for this year's titles that you can print out and build displays around. To make displays even easier for library workers, each Summer Scares title includes 4 read-alikes, giving you 15 titles to pull from for each age group. Where will you find the read-alikes? Well, each title has been given its own page in the programming guide. So on these, you will find the read-alikes, appeal factors, and how to use those appeals to book talk each book, a reading group guide to give you some starting points to lead book discussions for each title, and 4 sample programs, so you can feel comfortable hosting anything from a single author talk to a group of panel discussions and local history presentations, to an entire series around a single title, or just using a Summer Scares theme. Now, all of these sample programs are really meant to be a jumping off point for you to plan programs that work for your community and for your library. I've tried to balance in-person options versus virtual options while staying true to what would be best for each title and make for a successful program. The rise of virtual programming has given libraries interesting opportunities that we might not have thought of before. At the back of the guide, you'll find an article by me about some of the lessons I've taken about programming from the past year and how to use those to interact with your communities as we begin to transition back into in-person programming and, moving forward, to offer a variety of experiences that go beyond just offering in-person programming. Virtual options will and should stick around, so just as an example, one of my favorite program ideas in this guide is for Libba Bray's The Diviners. It's a macabre museum meet and greet. You can partner with a weird museum anywhere in the world, and there are plenty to choose from. Unique experiences like a macabre museum meet and greet that can't be replicated locally or through other online platforms are the kinds of programs that are going to keep virtual options viable. Lastly, on the back of the programming guide, you'll find more information about our official Summer Scares podcast partner, Ladies of the Fright, and a listing of last year's episodes. Check out their fantastic podcast and keep your eyes peeled for upcoming episodes in the months to come. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need advice on how to bring an idea to life, please reach out to me at conrads@thelibrary.org, or you can connect with me on Instagram at @thepotilibrarian. If you're looking to book any of our Summer Scares authors for a virtual event, please reach out to Becky Spratford at bspratford@hotmail.com. Whether you plan a display, a single discussion or program, or an entire program series, just remember, don't be scared.